Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you all are doing fine and staying at your home. My name is Vishali Gambhir. I repeat, my name is Vishali Gambhir and I will be taking E.V.S for both the classes 1 as well as 2.
So today we will be starting from our lesson number 2. The name of the lesson number 2 is Inside Our Body. What is the name of lesson number 2? Inside Our Body. Yes, the name of lesson number 2 is Inside Our Body. In the previous lesson, we have already learned about the body parts that are outside our body. Also, we have learnt about sense organs and the ways of keeping our body healthy. So, let's begin with second chapter now.
So before we start with the chapter, it is important for us to know what do we call the organs that are inside our body. Have you ever heard about internal organs and external organs? Yes, I repeat, internal organs and external organs. Okay, come on, let's learn about it.
Internal organs. These organs are present inside our body. So, those organs that are present inside our body, what do we call them, children? We call them internal organs. What do we call them? Internal organs, because they are present inside our body. Second point is they cannot be seen or touched. We can neither see the internal organs nor we can touch them. So the internal organs cannot be seen as well as they cannot be touched. Example: heart, brain, lungs, stomach. What are the examples? Heart, brain, lungs, stomach. Tell me, children, when you stand in front of the mirror, could you see your heart? No, not at all. Could you see your brain when you stand in front of the mirror? No, we cannot see our brain, neither can we touch it. We can only see our head, but we cannot see our brain. Could you see your lungs? No, neither we can see the lungs nor we can touch it. And same goes with the stomach. So, internal organs are those organs that are present inside our body. We cannot see them, neither we can touch them. And what are the examples of internal organs? Heart, brain, lungs, and stomach. All these are internal organs. There are few more examples of internal organs like a liver, kidney, food pipe. All these organs cannot be seen nor they can be touched. Now, what is next? Next is external organs. Next is external organs. Could you think that what is external organs? See, we have already done internal organs. External organs is just opposite of internal organs. These organs are present outside our body. So, external organs are those organs that are present outside our body, जो हमारी body के बाहर हैं. They can be seen or touched. So, we can see as well as we can touch the external organs. Let us look at the examples. Example: shoulder, fingers, nose, ears. All these are the example of external organs. Tell me, children, when you stand in front of the mirror, could you see your shoulders? Come on, everyone, touch your shoulders. You can touch them also and you can see them also. Why? Because they are outside our body. Fingers. You can touch your fingers, right? And you can also see them. Same goes with the nose and ears as well as. All of you can touch all these organs as well as you can see them. So, They are called external organs because they are outside our body. I hope that this is clear to you. What is the difference between internal organs and external organs? It is very simple. Internal organs are those organs which are inside our body, and external organs are those organs which are outside our body. Second point of difference is internal organs cannot be seen as well as they cannot be touched. ना ही हम उनको देख सकते हैं, ना ही हम उन्हें टच कर सकते हैं. But external organs can be seen as well as they can be touched.
Now, I will be sharing a video with you that will tell you the names of some internal organs, and you will also learn the functions of internal organs. Let's begin.
Of our body. In this module, you will learn about the internal parts of your body.
Today, Sid is at his family doctor's clinic with his mother. His mother has been coughing for 2 days now. What are you doing, doctor?
I'm checking if everything is fine inside your mama's body.
But what is there inside her body? Is there something inside my body as well? Do you also want to see what is there inside Sid's body? Come, let's peep into his body and find out. Oh, hello! I'm Sid's brain. Right now, Sid is thinking about something, and I'm helping him to do so. Not only that, I help him solve his difficult math problems and remember his friends' birthdays. Nice meeting you. Bye. It seems the sound is coming from somewhere here. Hello. Can you hear this sound? I'm sure you often hear this sound, isn't it? I make this sound. I am Sid's heart. Sid is eating a banana. Let's see where this banana is going. Hello, I'm Sid's food pipe. I will help this banana reach my friend the stomach. It is right there near the tummy. I got to go now. Bye. Let's go meet the stomach too. Hello, I'm Sid's stomach. All the food that he eats comes to me. Oh, something is coming. I must go. I think there is another part in there. Hello, we are the lung twins.
We live inside Sid's chest. We help Sid in breathing.
Sid is able to sit, hold this bottle in his hand, and stand with the help of some special body parts. Do you know which body parts? These special body parts are bones and muscles. We are the bones and muscles of Sid's body.
From sitting to standing to writing, we help him in everything.
Come on, Sid. Let's go home now. So, kids, inside Sid's body, we have found his brain, heart, food pipe, stomach, lungs, bones and muscles. We cannot.
Now, as we have seen in the video, few internal organs as well as their functions, now we will be reading the text and we will be learning much more about them.
Now children, as you have seen in the video and you have learned about few internal organs, now we will read and one by one I will be telling you about each internal organ. Let's begin reading. Let's start from the head. So we will be starting from the head. You all know where is head? Alright? Head is on the top of our body. Inside the head is the brain. What is inside the head? Inside the head we have brain. It is the thinking organ. The brain is the thinking organ. Thinking organ means it helps us to think. हमें सोचने में मदद करता है brain. Our body does what our brain tells it to do. So you can think it in this way, that brain is the boss of our body. Brain is the boss of our body. Brain is the boss of our body. Whatever the brain will instruct, the rest of the body parts will follow it. Do you know how our brain works? The brain collects information from our surroundings and tells our body what to do. So, what does the brain do? It collects the information from the surroundings. Surrounding means हमारे आसपास की जगह से it collects the information and then it instructs the body what is to be done. Now we will understand how does it works. Our five sense organs tells the brain what is happening around us. We have studied in the previous chapter about the five sense organs. Now they are very good friends of brain and they help brain. They help the brain and then the brain instructs the other body parts. So how does they help the brain? Let us look at that. First of all, eyes. Eyes tell the brain what they see. Whatever the eyes will see, they will pass the signals to the brain. Suppose, let me give you a simple example. Suppose you see a ball coming towards you. So, which organ has seen that a ball is coming towards you? Your eyes. Yes, the eyes will send the signal to the brain and the brain will instruct your hands or legs to, if it is your hands, the brain will instruct your hands to catch the ball, or it can instruct your legs to kick the ball. So I think you must be clear. Next, ears. It tells it what they hear. Your ears help you to hear. All right. Suppose when I say you stand up, so your ears have heard it and it has passed the signals to the brain. Now the brain will instruct the legs and we will stand. Nose tells it what it smells. Our nose tells it what it smells. Like suppose if we feel that there is something burning around us, so our nose tells us that there is something burning. It feels the smell and then passes the signal to the brain. The tongue tells what it tastes. The tongue tells what it tastes. And the skin tells what it feels. Suppose there is a hot utensil in front of you. You touched the hot utensil. You were unaware that it was hot. आपको पता नहीं था वो गर्म है. You touched it. Your skin felt that it was hot and instantly you moved your hand back. This happens with us most of the time, that our skin feels that it is hot. It quickly sends the big signals to the brain and then brain instructs the hand to move it back. And we instantly move our hand back. This process is very fast. So this is how our brain functions. Now that we know what is inside our head, let's learn what is inside our chest. So children, we have learned about the functioning of brain. Now we will study what is inside our chest. Heart. What is written here? Heart. Inside the chest is the heart. Inside the chest we have our heart. Everyone, do one thing. Put your hand on the left side of the chest. Could you feel something beating there? Yes, on the left side of the chest we have our heart. The heart beats all the time and pumps blood to all the parts of the body. Now what is the function of heart? First of all, let me tell you, the heart is present inside our chest and we only have one heart. All right. It is present on the left side of our chest. If you will put hand on the left side of the chest, you will feel that the heart is beating. आपको कुछ sound सुनाई देगी, आपको कुछ feel होगा. The heart beats all the time. Even if you sleep, you eat, whatever activity you do, your heart beats all the time. Let me tell you one additional information. Our heart beats for 72 times in a minute. Let me repeat it. Our heart beats for 72 times in a minute. That means in a minute our heart beats for 72 times. Yes. And when we do some physical activity, like if we run or we climb up the stairs or we climb down the stairs, so the heartbeat becomes fast. You can feel that the heartbeat has become fast. So the heartbeat rate will increase in such cases. So what is the function of the heart? It beats all the time and it pumps blood to all the body parts. The heart pumps blood to all the body parts. Now children, as we have studied the functions of heart as well as the function of brain, now the next organ that we will study is lungs. What is the next organ that we are going to study about? Lungs. Yes, it is lungs. A pair of lungs is present inside the chest. First of all, let me tell you what is the meaning of the word pair. Pair means two. Like we have a pair of slippers, we have a pair of socks. Similarly, we have a pair of lungs. Pair means always two. And so there are two lungs that are present inside the chest. One on the right side of the chest, that is the right lung, and one on the left side of the chest, that is the left lung. You might be thinking that inside the chest we already have our heart. Yes, inside the chest we have our heart as well as we have the lungs. They are air-filled bags that helps us to breathe. So lungs are the air-filled bags that helps us to breathe. Yes, breathe means saas lena. So lungs help us to breathe. Everyone just inhale. Breathe in, children. When you breathe in, your lungs get filled with air. And when you breathe out, the air comes out from the lungs. So the lungs help us to breathe. Now, let's read further. Where does the food we eat go? So whatever food that we eat, have you ever wondered where does that food go? Yes, you will get the answer to this question. We eat food from the mouth and it goes into our belly. So the food that we eat from our mouth, as you have seen in the video, from the mouth, the food goes into the food pipe and then reaches our belly. Inside the belly, there is stomach. Inside the belly, what do we have? Stomach. Inside the belly, we have stomach. So from the mouth, the food goes to the food pipe and then goes into the stomach. It digests our food. Now, what is the function of stomach? The function of stomach is to digest our food. You must have heard, हम बोलते हैं ना कि खाना पच गया. So, how does our food get digested? Khana pachna means the food is digested. Who does that? Stomach does it. Stomach digests our food. Yes. So children, we have studied about 4 internal organs, right?
Topic for today has been ended. Stay tuned with me. Goodbye, everyone. Take care. Stay home. Stay healthy. That's it for today.